Matter if you watch me live for. Okay, Isala Wale. All right, if you watch me live, my name is MC Shaggy, Street Chance on Wazobia TV. Back there. The question what I want through for street today now. You will go for this new year, whether you go like come up for the place or in the place, whether you want come up for the working place or in the work, whether you don't tire for the former place you work, make we know. If you don't tire for this life, so you don't tire for where you work, won't go another place, make we know, so that we'll help you look for work. You say, hey, I want to come find me that. As you do like this, for this new year, for this your new year, you go like come up for where you work.
I know, like come up for where they work.
You still like where you work?
Yes.
You don't find another work?
No, I still like where they work.
You like where they work?
Yes.
You dey shame because whether I know many people.
I go shame for what?
You like where they work?
Yes.
If they carry go better place, no go.
I'll go now. Where go pay me? Where?
Okay, I won't give you where go pay you.
Where be that?
I'll show you.
Show me.
Yeah, follow me now. So you don't hurry again. All right, quick it there. Sell the matter. Madam, come on, not like I can jam you because of me. Now I won't go run the tackle. Madam, good afternoon. Wazobia TV. Just 1 minute. 1 minute. I know they thief you, nothing. Now they keep person. Camera, now they keep person. I tell you, answer me. Madam, where you work?
I dey work for.
Okay, now as you do now, you go like come up for where they work. No. Go another place for this.
If you don't favor me, I feel come out there. As for now, where they even sell before self, I don't come out there enter another place because the old place don't favor me.
Not favor you.
Yes.
So is there another new place
yes.
now? And it favor you well.
I never start from there.
That last year, I know say you lean, but this year offered now. As they just take another employment. So you go like come up for where you did.
Go another place.
Maybe higher place.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Long truth only. All right, back it there. Madam, good afternoon. Wazobia TV, no run no. You know say you carry belle. No run no. That pikin dey happy die. Madam, just 1 minute of your time. All right, so no matter if you watch me live on Wazobia TV. Back it there. Street Chance. Madam, how you dey work?
I dey do my internship there.
Okay, they do your internship there. And if you go, they pay you where they are.
Then they try.
They try. I think the staff you there, you go there happy.
Very well, yes.
They are very happy.
Yes.
And so you like the place where you work?
Yes.
You like the place where you work?
Yes.
What if you say another place where the path is no good?
Nah, the first thing you go can't be experience now. Where you go get experience for your profession? That ain't better part. If you get the experience, the money go come.
Okay, if you get the experience,
money go come.
The money
yes, now. Yes.
All right, thank you very much. God bless you. Back there, so the matter, Street Chance. Oh, I know say you want me to interview you. Now, Shakara, they do. Cool down there. God don't catch you. Cool down. Okay, police come up from my camera. All right, so the matter, Street Chance on Wazobia TV. My name is MC Shaggy. Becky, Alpha, where you dey work? You don't get work?
I get work.
Where you dey work? Do they pay you well?
Yes.
How much do they pay you? 50K?
No.
20K? 100K?
21.
21K. So, okay. What do they work as there?
We dey produce all these fancy rubber slippers.
Oh, okay. Now China people get the company.
Yes.
They don't say China, then they do well. China, let they try for this country. Try. China, then they try. Sorry, I joke at you. You see my company self now. Man, get up. I joke at you. I joke. All right. See what you did there. As you did like this, you know, like come up for where you dey work. Eh?
If I see where they pay better than my
what you learn? Which work you learn before?
caterer.
Caterer. So you go like do catering work. You know you learn. And for the why you not professionalize now?
No say caterer na too much money now.
Too much money, Abi. You never get that kind of money. No worry, follow me. I'll give you the money. Follow me. I'll give you the money.
I don't hear.
You don't follow me.
I go follow you.
You go follow me. Follow me on Twitter or follow me on Instagram.
Okay.
Hey, back at that. Still on the matter, Street Chance on Wazobia TV. Hey, why you say? How are you? How are you? Ade, correct. Wait. How far are you there?
I did fine.
Now Wazobia TV be this, my brother.
Okay.
I know like smile. Now me put you say me they do Okada. Which kind of rubbish be that? Smile.
I did smile. I did smile, man.
As you dey like this, how long you don dey do Okada?
For 7 years now.
7 years now. You don't use a bid house?
No, I never did.
Put something for your mind. One of you the put something
Face that guy.
Don't mind anymore.
You see people, this one are people, you know, they encourage people for street. Oh. This year they tell them, you don't know whether I should they interview you, better help will come. See this one. So when we are point for head like which I don't know. I better turn face me. All right, how long you do am?
7 years.
7 years, I mean. All right. But you the plan say you go promote for this place.
Yes.
The plan say you go promote for here. May God let you come out here in Jesus' name.
Amen.
You understand me, sir? God bless you. You don't even train your children, I mean.
Yes.
Okada, na trailer. God to let you use and train your children. You don't even train your children, I mean. Let you go see more things. Go see. Hey, back there. How far? Oh, close here. How long you done there also there?
When I don't dey for your solo, I don't pass 12 years, so I don't later leave am. Come back, you never reach 5 months. Wetin come happen now, Moga? Me not tell me, make I know as e dey hot too. Anybody back down, na help I need do. This one I dey do, I no like am.
Better. Why you say? Oh shit. All right. That's not the matter. And people when I want to see
This is why they use carry to do money things, money breakfast. I tell you.
You use carry to do money breakfast.
Money breakfast.
Do money breakfast.
You know, now me search the corner say appendix like whole lot. That's it.
All right. How long you done the drive?
How far? Why they ask me how far? How far never finish? They tell me how far. That be the beginning of the year. Be this. Not for this man.
Okay. No best. How long you done?
My name not be okay. They call me okay.
Okay. No How long you done do Okada?
Long.
How long you done do this one?
Me I never do Okada. They do pilot. Na pilot I be.
A pilot.
Why you call me Okada now?
Sorry. No
You know there's a difference between engineer and mechanic.
That's true.
I deserve some respect.
Oh my God! Pilot in the building.
You
Oh, take her. So, how long did they
come on, I hope they put me for side that where they.
How long did they do pilot?
About 10 years ago. 10 years ago.
You don't even do many things.
Only that you guys they do that, but you not complete. You not get roof.
Yes. What's your name?
My name.
Yeah.
My name is Destiny Child.
Yes. You don't do that. I know that.
No, that one. I child they leave your house. Why you go? I don't leave your house. Why you go give me quick notice? Why you go to first like that?
All right, for the Watch Me Live on Wazobia TV, I'm here with Destiny Child, one of the pilots guys here. Let me say the pilots.
Say the people for side here.
No, they only put you.
Okay, no. They don't come out with the keep us here.
You don't come out.
They don't come out.
Okay, I know.
That's it.
How far?
I did.
How long you done the hustle here?
I don't also know be today.
But you like come out for here, Abi?
I go like to come out now. Why I no go come out?
Like
Because
you like work for bank.
I like work for bank. No, na corporation make right full port. Na corporation make right full port.
A corporation make correct.
Na make right full port. No be today. Light where they say water no dey shine well.
Abi.
Only why light where they shine inside water now. If you put a fruit of pantry inside water, you go see am well. You go see am well. That one go shine.
Oh, shit.
So I don't dey do Okada here. No be today.
Now I can't baby this. That police. That police.
That one. No police. We can't police.
All right, if you watch me like Solid Matter straight out of Wazobia TV. Back it there, guy. Alpha. Yeah, what up? Back it there, Solid Matter. If you watch me now, I just make an enter street, come fool myself this new year, and I started fool myself. They go. Nah, I don't get many. Some people say they will come out, they get work, they'll go the higher place. Why some say when they drive Okada, say they don't use Okada train many people, do many things for their life. You know that kind of thing now. I make God the bless and they go. As we see for the country now, so good they take and they go like that. We give God all the glory because as far as the bring money come or assist the society, so nothing we go do now. We just help ourselves. They go like that. I don't rather show up. And I like this. I take close show for my Isolo people when they travel out. This and that. Now Isolo are this so. Isolo area are this so. All those Isolo people in there for UK and all that. When it really demands, they made a hair. Isolo so Isolo CD there as it be so. Back it there. Oh, back it. Why I say? Like this man now. This man are from Bayelsa and come. Now we wear net. Now we can wear net.
Wear back of clothes.
I like wear back of clothes because now which I like wear. Your choice is your choice. My choice now is to wear back of clothes. Wicked there.
know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.